We begin in 5th place with the Cecotec EnergySilence Aero 4282 Invisible White. It is the most interesting choice if you want the blades to retract when switched off, leaving something that looks much more like a ceiling light. It measures 106 centimetres, has a 36-watt LED with 3 color temperatures, and offers 6 speeds, a timer, and reverse rotation for winter. Its size suits a medium room better than the 132-centimetre models. The strengths are its sensible price, powerful light, and discreet appearance. The drawbacks are its alternating current motor, the lack of an app, and blade joints that collect dust in an awkward area to clean. It ranks 5th because it handles appearance and budget very well, but offers less control and refinement than the direct current motors that follow.